Sheesh. Gotta take care of the body, man. Basically out here in Dr. Smooth, making sure you gotta take care of the body, make sure the health, wealth, success is always in your nature. The 3 top key points for today is make sure you're healthy, make sure you're taking care of your wealth, but make sure that you're obviously taking care of that body of yours, because that body is an ATM machine. If you're working every single day hard, and you're eating like shit, right? 50 years from now, you're probably gonna be sitting in your bed, right? Paying off your freaking health bills and shit that you don't need. This is why you need to take advantage right now, right? Take care of your body right now. Eat the right foods. Go shop at the right departments, meaning like Whole Foods. Stop eating processed shit, right? Take care of your body right now. Pay the price today so you can pay the price tomorrow. Whoosh. Daily deposits, man. Vlog 101. Get your fucking money right. Get your money right. Just out here, got back home, went to Dr. Smooth's. This guy's actually, actually this company is really good. I was eating their food and it's really, really good. But understand, man, health, wealth, success is really the 3 concepts of having really, a good mentality of your health. Is making sure that you're eating right every single day. Right, drinking the right fluids, drinking the right water, drinking the right food every single day, right? But also making sure that you're managing your businesses as well, because think about it. If you're working so hard and you're not eating the right foods, later on, 50 years from now, you're actually gonna be dying in bed, fat ass, guy in bed or girl, whatever, and you're gonna be in bed and, all you're working hard for, all you're generating all this money for is for what? So you can pay off your diseases whenever you're in bed and you're dying in 20 years from now, 30 years from now, whatever, just because you didn't make the right choices right now, that you're probably like 20, 25, 30 years old. So make the choice right now, commit today, and really help yourself, because you have one body. Make sure you take care of that body, man. Make sure you freaking take care of it every single day. Sheesh.